Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you does Instagram notify when you screenshot a story. So before getting into this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So for this we need to Instagram accounts. So let's open Instagram. So as you can see that I post a story on this account and I'm going to take a screenshot from another account. So I am in my other account and here I am going to search for my other account and I'm going to open a story and now I'm going to take a screenshot. Once I done that, I simply need to go into my second account and check that there is no notification here and Instagram do not update on this account about screenshot. So you can see that. So Instagram does not notify when someone screenshot your Instagram story. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.